Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have JBL F650 headphones and I'm going to tell you how to create our own equalizer preset. At first, tap on this EQ at the bottom of your UI, and here, as you can see, we can enable or disable equalizer. Here we have to tap plus, and now we have to do our equalizer. Here, as you can see, we have frequencies, low, mid, high, and kilohertz frequencies. We can manage if you want to set to different dots, to different frequencies, as you can see. And here, if we tap, we can manage our name. So I will name it like HardReset.Info EQ and the stick icon. Here we have to tap this stick icon again, and this is our new equalizer preset, which is our custom EQ. That's it, hope it helps you, goodbye.